The legendary Volkswagen Golf GTI has officially landed in India and it's making a grand entrance with a price tag of 53 lakh rupees ex showroom. Yep, that's a spicy number, making it the most expensive Volkswagen you can buy in India today. But guess what? The first batch of 150 units is already sold out. Clearly, petrol heads know a good thing when they see one. And Volkswagen is now planning to bring in another 100 units based on demand. Volkswagen's this car is not about sunroof, it's not about the tech, it's about the power. Now for those wondering what GTI really means, it stands for Grand Touring Injection, a name that dates back to 1970 when Gran Turismo first came with the very first Golf GTI that redefined what a hot hatch could be. It's not just a badge, it's a badge of honor. And this 8th gen model carries the legacy forward with proper firepower under the hood, and it has finally come to India after 7 generations. Underneath that clean, understated European design sits a 2.0 litre TSI turbo petrol engine pushing out 265 horsepower and 370 Nm of torque, mated to a lightning quick 7-speed DSG dual clutch gearbox. The Golf GTI can rocket from 0 to 100 km an hour in just 5.9 seconds. That's proper hot hatch territory. Plus, you get front wheel drive fun with an electronic limited slip differential, giving you that classic GTI sharpness around the corners when you drive a little fast. But the Golf GTI isn't just about performance. Inside, it's a tech lover's dream too. You get a sharp and responsive 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which is usually bigger than the Volkswagen cars, paired with a sleek 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster that you can customize to your heart's content. The cabin is minimalistic yet premium with red stitching, GTI badging, sporty bucket seats, and that trademark golf ball style gear shifter making a return. Haven't we missed the classic gearbox? It is back. Now comfort isn't compromised either. It packs in 3-zone automatic climate control, a high-end sound system, ambient lighting, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. All of these features are of course because it's a 50 lakh car, and the creature comforts you'd expect from a premium German cars. Everything will be there. But what is the safety of this car? You get 7 airbags, a rear view camera, and all the necessary driver aids to keep things in check when you're not tearing up that tarmac. But this car will be as fast as you can imagine. Sure, 53 lakh sounds like a lot for a hatchback, but let's be honest, the Golf GTI isn't just any hatchback. It's a performance icon, a car that blends everyday usability with proper driving thrills. Thanks to import duties, the price stings, but for true enthusiasts, this might just be the ultimate hot hatch flex in the country. And for hatchback lovers, if you have money in your pocket and you still decide to not get this car, then I'm sorry for you guys, you're missing on a lifetime of experience.